If you ever wondered with the question, how do I measure my distance or the whole area correctly on my Android device? So here's a way out. Here's how to measure that using your Google Maps, and watch it till the end because I'll show you a way how to make your measuring process faster and more precise. So first of all, you're to open up your Google Maps. Great, we just did it. Now, we have to drop a first pin. So choose the desired location, for example, around here, and simply hold your finger on it. As you see, the point has dropped. Now let's pull up this page and press on measure distance. Now we can measure it up, and as you see, we can see mile count. For example, let's measure it up to here. Now press add point. The point is added, and now you can keep on measuring. More points you add, the more precise your measuring is going to be. Let's add it up here, and then let's finish up here. Right, so now we can see the whole route, right? Let's make it go back. And basically that's how you do this. So here is a little tip. If you're gonna go back and if you're gonna tap on this icon, you can be seeing the satellite or terrain map type. So I recommend you using that so you will understand the whole surfaces which you're walking on, either you're walking upwards or downwards, right? And it would be easier and more precise. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.